So you guys are filling with your Facebook ads, you're not using audience insights, and you're just doing all types of crap that's wasting a ton of money. We're gonna solve that right here, right now. Stick around.
Welcome to the Roughnecks. I'm Rico, your ecom instructor. I'm a software engineer, a military veteran, and a six-figure ecom seller. I've helped over 400 students on Amazon alone, and thousands more make money online. If you need to know anything about making money, you're gonna find it out right here.
Yo, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Roughnecks Ecom channel. If you're new here, I'm Roughneck Actual, aka Rico, and over here we talk all about how to make money online, offline, and everywhere in between. If that sounds good to you, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, and then sign up for the free Facebook group below, man, because I drop all types of crazy content in there and do giveaways and everything else. But for all you regulars, man, you know what time it is. It's time to go ahead and get right into it. So let's go ahead and talk about audience insights and how they can help your Facebook ad campaigns, because I get a ton of questions from people all day long asking about their Facebook ads and Shopify stores and all this, but the Facebook ad one seems to be the biggest one as of late, and it's I'm suspecting because a lot of new people are coming into the Shopify space and they are talking about using Facebook ads to make that money. You guys are definitely effing up at this part, okay? You should be using audience insight to better learn who to market to. Okay, let's just get that out there right now. You guys are running ads and not knowing who your target audience is. Audience insights is a very, very, very good way to determine who you should be marketing to. Like, let's say, for instance, you want to sell pit bull necklace, right? You would be able to figure out who would be a pretty good audience to test right off the bat if you used audience insights. Okay, you would be able to see what's the breakdown between male to females, as far as like jewelry goes, and then age demographics, you know, wealth, all types of things. You know, it would help you whittle that down so that way you're not spending a ton of money right off the bat. Okay, and no offense to a lot of you, because you guys don't know just yet. You know, you're listening to these like big gurus tell you all these things, and most of the time don't even know what the F they're talking about. Okay, so you guys need to realize that you can't just go in blindly. Like, you guys really do need to have some form of strategy, and using audience insights is a very, very good way to do that. Okay, it's a very good way to do that. It's a very good way to be able to determine a good test audience, you know, like an initial one. You guys are going to be going through more audiences, but a good initial way is to use audience insights, like I said. So, you know, using the pit bull necklace as an example, you could get the breakdown between males and females who like jewelry, get the breakdown between males and females who like pit bulls, and then get the breakdown between age demographics. There's all types of things. So you could be like, who likes jewelry, male or female? And then you could see, you know, women 18 to so-and-so, to such and such age, they like this more than men, or, you know, 60% of women compared to 40% of men during that, you know, in that age demographic, or vice versa, whatever. And then you could start whittling it down from there. Like, okay, well, we know women typically tend to like jewelry more, but do men or women like pit bulls more? And, you know, in this demographic. So now you got your jewelry, and then you have pit bulls, and then you can start breaking it down. And as you get further along, typically with the age demographic, older people are not going to be the ones that are going to spend the most money. Okay, they're not necessarily going to be on Facebook and get interrupted from their Facebook experience and then jump over to your website to purchase. You're probably going to spend the most money getting them to go to your website. Now, obviously, you guys know that there's tons and tons of campaigns that you could be running to minimize your costs. What you guys don't realize is that you're going to be doing a ton of testing, and you're going to be testing multiple audiences, multiple creatives, all types of things. But you want to save yourselves a good chunk of money right off the bat, okay? So remember, running $5 Facebook ads, like, chances are you're not going to get really rich off that. And you're going to be testing multiple products at the same time, if not multiple audiences at the same time. So what you're going to be doing right off the bat is testing your creatives. So let's say you have multiple creatives. Okay, now you got 10 creatives. You know, you want to check out, you know, one particular audience, but how do you know that audience is going to be, you know, decent to start with? I mean, you could just throw some random audiences together and, you know, go from there, and then, you know, you could figure out if your creative is good. That's a decent way to test your creative, I guess, but, you know, that's not the way I would do it. But once you find a good creative, okay, so let's say you whittle it down from 10 to 1. Now you have one creative that you know is good because you did the testing for it. How do you determine which audiences to run to? Probably would be a good idea to check out the audience insights, so that way you're not wasting a ton of money, because let's just say you are going to be running one product with that creative. Now you're going to be testing multiple audiences to see which ones convert the best. And you could be spending $5 a day per ad set. So, let's say you're testing 10 different audiences. You're going to be spending $50 a day. Well, you don't want to just throw money into the wind. You don't necessarily have to use audience insights all the time. I mean, I still use audience insights, for new audiences, just to check them out. Like, maybe this is something I want to get into, but let's, break down the numbers and see if I should be marketing to this particular audience and can I do better. So hopefully that helps you out, guys. You can always reach out to me. Just click below, guys. You can hit me up on IG, Facebook, whatever. I'm always available. You guys should know that by now. And if you don't, now you do. So please get into the free Facebook group below, guys, man. Like I said, I drop all types of content in there that's not on the tube, right? And yeah, you can get the free ebook, get into the free training. Everything's free to hook you up. That being said, man, be safe, be smart. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.